they're joining.
మీరు ఫౌండేషన్ దాంట్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యారా?
Everybody joined.
We have 9 participants.
There were 11 earlier.
Okay.
Okay, who was speaking? We cut short one person.
Yes, someone was speaking, even I lost.
Hey, ma'am. May I, ma'am?
Yeah, you can start. If somebody joins, I'll end.
Yeah. Saujanya, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Hi,
Saujanya.
Saujanya.
Good evening, all of you, ma'am.
Good evening.
And I'm very grateful and thankful to Madhvi, ma'am, for giving me such a great opportunity to participate and learn more from you all. And I am Yatam Saujanya, working as SDT in Guntur district, ma'am. I'm teaching to first to 5th classes, all subjects. And my intention is learn more to speak in English. And because I can write very well in English, I think so, but I can't speak in front of others because of shyness. So I must overcome that problem. So I'd like to improve myself through the session that you are conducting right now. And I'm sure that I'll definitely achieve my goal.
Yes, Saujanya. So
Yeah,
I
looks
think halfway.
like Lata has a tough job ahead. All of them.
Yeah, I know.
all the teachers are raising the bars.
Yeah, they're raising the bar.
Yes. Right.
Very nice.
And Saujanya, I think you already covered half the battle, because you said you write very good English, and that I could figure out from the way you're talking. So it's just about making you talk. I'm not sure if it's a easy task or a tough task, but then yes. With you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you for your support, ma'am.
Yeah. We're always there, Saujanya. So yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, we look forward. So yes, we will work on the shyness and the speaking aspect. Yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Who'll go next?
Yeah, who wants to go next?
Madam?
Yeah, Shushilamma, yes.
Okay, madam. My name is Susila. I am working SGT, Chittoor district, MPP primary school. I have some fear to speak English in communication, because I studied in Telugu medium up to degree, BSc BA. So I feel shy to talk in English, ma'am. So I overcome my fear to speak in English, ma'am.
Yes, Shushilamma.
Sure.
Yeah, we'll all work on that. Yes, definitely.
To introduce this course, she introduced this course to me. I thank to Madhvi madam, ma'am.
Most welcome, ma'am. It's my pleasure.
Yeah. Yeah, who will go next? Yeah. Dhanalakshmi?
Yes. Madam, my name is Dhanalakshmi. I am from Chittoor district, ma'am. I am very happy to join in this group, ma'am. Yes, basically, last 23 years I worked as a GT, ma'am. Now I am working as a high school teacher. I am teaching English subject. I want to teach the people with correct grammar, ma'am. In the grammar, I also studied in Telugu medium.
Okay.
From intermediate, first standard to intermediate. Then in degree, I studied English medium, ma'am. I want to overcome usage of the language fluently and without any grammar mistake, ma'am. That's why I joined this group. Susilama may said about this group, ma'am. I am very thankful to Susilama for this
Yes, yeah. Thank you,
joining this
Lakshmi Garu. And
Indian
I
group,
think
ma'am.
you can, yeah, you can put your whatever learning that you're going to acquire in these sessions, you can put it to use, because you being an English teacher, I
Yes,
think you
ma'am.
can take it back to your classes. So yes, definitely.
Yes,
you
yes.
can
That's
do
why,
this.
ma'am, I joined. I want to rich vocabulary, madam. I have some not on that rich vocabulary. I want rich vocabulary to use in the class.
Yeah,
That's
so
right.
vocabulary is also a part of our
It's a part
curriculum.
of-
So yes,
Okay.
we will introduce you to the vocabulary. It's just that you have to put it to use. Whatever are the new words that you're going to learn in subsequent classes, you have to put it to use. You have to start
Okay.
using.
Surely I will take my
Yes, thank you and welcome then, Lakshmi Garu.
thank you, ma'am. I am very happy to see all of you, ma'am.
Same here, same here.
Same
Yeah.
here. Same here.
Yeah, Shashikala ma'am, you are waving. You want to talk? You want to go next? You're on mute, ma'am. I think you need to unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Shashikala ma'am.
Hi. Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, ma'am. I'm Shashikala, ma'am. Good evening, madam, everyone. Are you hearing my voice, ma'am?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. You're audible. Yes.
I'm working as SGT, madam, in Adiki Mandal, Anantapur district. I have some stage fear, madam, to speak in English, but through this meeting, I want to clarify my mistakes in English. That's what I want to complete.
Yes, yeah. You want to overcome your fear of talking in English.
Okay.
Yes, we'll definitely work on it. Yeah, and welcome to the classes, Shashikala ma'am. Who else? Nikita.
Thank
Likita, I don't know who, we don't have a, who is, Likita, can you introduce yourself? Your name is written as Likita. It's Jyoti or
Yeah.
Padmaja, madam.
Padmaja.
Likita,
Oh,
Zoom
Padmaja.
meeting ID.
Yeah, yeah.
Likita,
Okay,
your
okay.
daughter
Padmaja.
maybe.
I will
Padmaja.
rename her so that.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, Padmaja ma'am, you want to go ahead?
Padmaja, madam. Working at a model school, Telangana Model School, Warangal district.
Okay. Welcome, ma'am. First Telangana teacher. I think all the
Hanamakonda.
other teachers.
Padmaja, you told me you were from Hanamakonda, right? Just
Hanamakonda.
beside Warangal.
Hanamakonda.
Yeah,
గీసుకొండ
okay.
మండలం
yeah.
Yes.
వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను మేడం ఈ రోజు తెలుగే మాట్లాడతాను మేడం
Yeah, yeah.
నెక్స్ట్
Yes,
రేపటి
yes,
నుంచి
yeah.
లైసెన్స్
రేపటి నుంచి కుదరదు. Yeah. No, but then Padmaja ma'am, at least in between use English.
Yeah.
మధ్యలో తెలుగు అతికించుకోవడానికి వాడండి కానీ ఈ రోజుకి try and speak in English. Your name? I'll help you. My name is
Padmaja.
Yes.
I
you
am
are from
working
which-
at model school, TSMS model school, Gisonda Mandal.
Yes.
I am PGT Telugu teacher.
Okay.
9th to inter, I am dealing 9th to inter,
Oh, okay.
Telugu subject. First
Okay.
to intermediate, total my language Telugu, studying in Telugu.
Okay. Your education was in Telugu medium.
Only Telugu medium.
Yes.
After 12 years, my housewife ఉన్నాను మేడం.
Okay.
2005 to 6 లో ఎస్జిటి జాబ్, ఆ తర్వాత పీజిటి. ఆఫ్టర్
Come back to
2014
English. Try and see if we can come back to English. We'll help you.
2006
So from 2016 you were
2006 to 2014 I am in SGT teacher.
Okay, you worked as SGT
After
teacher.
2014 to continuation present PGT teacher.
Okay.
Government job అన్న నాకు ఈజీ అనిపిస్తుంది కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్ కష్టమవుతుంది మేడం. నేను 2
Okay.
జాబ్‌లు గవర్నమెంట్ కొట్టగలిగిన కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మాత్రం నాకు హార్డ్‌గా ఫీల్ అయితున్నాను. అదేంటో అని.
You make a note of this, Padmaja ma'am. After 2 months,
Yeah.
I think you will definitely say that English is not
Definitely
so
speak
tough.
in English.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, you will
అదొక
at least
ఫియర్ అనేది చిన్నప్పటి నుండి చాలా ఉండిపోయింది. చైల్డ్‌హుడ్ నుండి.
no come back
నాకు
to
ఈ
English.
జాబ్
I said only connecting words. The moment we go into Telugu, we tend to talk continuously in Telugu. That's the reason I'm pulling you back, not any other intention. Because you spoke, see, out of the sentences, 5 or 6 sentences that you spoke, Padmaja ma'am, I think 3 or 4, you already spoke in English. Then the moment you came into Telugu, you are getting into Telugu. So come back. So we'll help you out.
ఓకే మేడం.
So at the end of 2 months, I'm saying, yes, definitely you will see. I think you will talk continuously in English, no matter whatever English it is, whether it is grammatically correct or incorrect, correct usage of vocabulary, doesn't matter. But then you will talk in English. We can tell it confidently. So
I will say,
write it.
I will
Write it and
try
keep
to
it. Yes.
after 2 months total talk in English.
Yes.
Yeah, great.
Right. Shall I add another teacher?
Thank you, madam.
Yes, yes, please.
Yeah.
Yes, Saujanya,
Right, so-
okay.
See, actually, we wanted to restrict this group only to 10 teachers, because unlike an offline mode, a face-to-face, online it is very difficult to have keep the attention of the participants. That's the reason we have a maximum limit of 10 learners. But this time we have not reached that number. So within your groups, if you have any contacts, any teacher who's interested to join, as we said, right, anyway, the first 1 month we are not charging anything. When we say we're not charging, you can watch our way of teaching, and then after 1 month, if you feel satisfied with whatever is our teaching, you can continue further by paying the amount. So feel free to share these details of this training with your friends and colleagues. Whoever wants to join, they can reach out to the number, the registration number, where you have all messaged, right? The same number, you can share it with your friends and colleagues. So actual classes will start from tomorrow. So if anyone wants to join, then yes, you can share that our number. Feel free to do
Thank
that.
you, madam. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So did we cover everyone?
Yeah, I think we've covered. So we just from tomorrow, it will be a Google Meet, probably you'll have to tell them. that we-
Right. So today's session is only on the Zoom. All of you are comfortable using Google Meet, or is there anyone who's using Google Meet for the first time? You all have a Gmail ID. Anyone who's will be using Google Meet for the first time, you can tell us. We'll conduct a technical session for you guys. So
So
Shushila,
as it is, we have a small recording, which
recording.
I will share
Yes.
in the group, so they can use that, but they need to have a Gmail ID. All of
use-
them need to create a Gmail ID.
Right.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Yes, Shashikala ma'am.
I have
madam, I have some problem, madam. I don't have knowledge about this meeting, Zoom meeting,
Okay.
because
No.
don't use this
So
type of. That's first time, madam, I have used this meeting.
Okay.
Okay, so next from tomorrow's, the session will be in Google Meet. Do you have a Gmail ID, Shashikala ma'am?
No, madam.
Mail ID.
Email
Your
ID.
kids. Email, Gmail.
No, madam, no.
You don't have a Gmail ID, or anyone of your son, daughter, anyone at home has a Gmail ID?
Yeah, madam.
Yeah, so you can use their Gmail ID and then log in. Who's there who can help you out at home, Shashikala ma'am?
My husband, madam.
Okay, your husband has a Gmail, then all that we need is a Gmail ID. We'll give you a link. You just have to
I
click
will
on that.
create.
Okay, if you
Yeah.
can create nothing like that. Yeah, nothing like that.
Okay.
So you can create a Gmail ID for yourself, and then we'll post the link of the Gmail of the Google Meet in the WhatsApp group. You just have to click. When you're clicking, it'll ask you to enter your Gmail user ID password, you have to enter, and then it will be the same kind of a screen. You can enter. So we have, as Amina ji said, there's also a recording that we will be sharing. It will have all the necessary
Details.
information for
Yeah.
you. If you still need any further clarifications from a technical perspective, we'll help you out.
That's what I want to, madam. Technical knowledge that using
So
this.
do one thing, Shashikala ma'am. First, create a Gmail ID, and then maybe tomorrow I'll connect you with one of our technical team. She'll have a one-on-one with you. What time will you be available tomorrow before the class? 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. is okay for you tomorrow?
Okay, madam.
6 p.m. I'll have one of our team member connect with you. She'll show you how to do it. She'll call you, and then both of you can connect. She'll show you how to connect to the Google Meet, how to unmute yourself, how to put yourself on video and all that. Okay. Anyone else who needs this kind of help can also join. Maybe
No,
you
the
can tell
recording,
us.
Kiran, the recording that we will be sharing has all the details. I will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
sharing it in the group now. Shashikala,
Sure.
all మీరు చేయాల్సిందంతా మీ Gmail ID ఒకటి క్రియేట్ చేసుకోండి. ఆ తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలన్నదంతా నేను రికార్డింగ్ షేర్ చేస్తాను.
Recording lo undi. Yeah.
ఓకే, అంత రికార్డింగ్ లో మెల్లిగా ఫాలో అయితే 2-3 minutes రికార్డింగ్ ఉంది. అది ఫాలో అయితే మీకు అన్ని తెలిసిపోతాయి. ఓకే,
మెయిల్ ఐడి వాట్సాప్ చేయాలా మేడం?
మెయిల్ ఐడి మీరు క్రియేట్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి. మీరు క్రియేట్ చేయండి. మీ ఈ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ ఏదైతే ఉందో, మన వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ ఉంది కదా, మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కదా గ్రూప్ లో, అందులో ఒక వీడియో పంపిస్తాను నేను. అది ఎట్లా ఫాలో అవ్వాలి, గూగుల్ మీట్ ఎట్లా ఎంటర్ అవ్వాలి, అన్ని ఉన్నాయి దాంట్లో. అది మీరు వీడియో రికార్డింగ్ అది చూసుకుంటే మీకు అన్ని అర్థమవుతాయి. ఇంకా అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ మీరు గ్రూప్ లో మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి. రేపు ఒకసారి మీతో కిరణ్మయి మ్యామ్ అన్నట్టు ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు వచ్చి మీకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు ఆన్లైన్ వచ్చి. ఓకే, డోంట్ వరీ, ఇట్ ఇస్ వెరీ సింపుల్. ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు. మీకు ఎక్కడైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నా వన్ ఆఫ్ అస్, నేను, కిరణ్మయి, లేకపోతే మా టెక్నికల్ టీం నుంచి ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు వచ్చి మీకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తాం. మీ పనల్లో మీరు ఒక గూగుల్ మీ జీమెయిల్ ఐడి క్రియేట్ చేసుకోండి అంతే. ఓకే శశికళ? యా,
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yeah, so Shushilamma, Padmaja, then Esther, Saujanya, Dhanalakshmi, or you're all comfortable with Gmail? With
yeah.
Google
Yes,
Meet?
ma'am.
you have Gmail
Yes, ma'am.
ID? Yeah,
Google
okay.
We
Meet.
have.
Yeah, one more request to all of you. See, this is 1 hour that we want you to take all for yourself. See, generally, this is what even we do it. Whenever there is any online session, we switch off the video and then we go and do our own personal work. So that is also not allowed. You have to come on to the video because we want to see you talking. We want to see you hearing. So please set aside this 1 hour for yourself, 6:30 to 7:30. Whatever is the cooking that you have to do, or whatever is the household work, either do it before 6:30 or after 7:30. So plan it according to that. And this dedicated time, 6:30 to 7:30, it is only you guys and our teacher, Lata ma'am. Okay, so try and have what undisturbed. I mean, maybe take the sessions from a place where there's not less background noise and place where you can have a lot of concentration. Okay, we don't mind guests like sons and daughters peeping from behind, like we have Saujanya's son peeping from behind. So we don't mind having them, those little learners. But yes, try and have as much concentration as possible for these sessions because it will help you out. Okay, so videos on from tomorrow, videos
All
on
videos.
for everyone. And then please be on time. Lata ma'am will be posting a reminder also on the group just before the class. So make sure, and you don't need to take any notes. This is not a writing class. So here and all, the only senses that you have to activate in this class is your hearing, and then you talk, you hear it. Yeah, talking is not a sense, but yeah, I'm saying you have to hear more and then talk. That is what
But
you have
I'm
to
ready
do.
with notes and pen, ma'am.
That's what I'm saying.
No need
to
write. Don't write.
don't need to
Just
see
listen.
even the grammar concepts that we will be covering, ma'am, Saujanya ma'am. So Lata ma'am will post it after the group, after the class, after every class, whatever are the notes, small notes, and the vocabulary also, she'll post it in the group. So you don't have to write anything. So
But please stay connected to the group. Check your groups at least twice or thrice. Check the group, any messages before the class or in the afternoon or something. Whatever is there, we will be posting on the group, not individually. So keep checking your WhatsApp group. Okay, twice,
Right.
once in the morning, once in the afternoon, like that. Right?
Yeah, and I think we have 2 holidays in between. One is Kartika Purnami 19th, and Lata ma'am, what is the other holiday that we have? It's December 25th is
actually,
also
It is
Saturday.
December
Saturday.
25th.
Saturday. Yeah.
Saturday kada adi?
Saturday. So
Yeah, Saturday only.
And how about
January 1st అనుకున్నాం కదా.
January 1st is also Friday. That's
Right.
Friday.
That's Friday.
Yeah.
So
So in
Jan
between
1st
we
and
have 3
Saturday.
holidays.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll compensate those classes. The classes will move ahead 2 days ahead of the schedule. So if Lata ma'am is, for some instances, for some days, if Lata ma'am is not able to take the class, then either I or Amina ji will come and take the class for you.
Your
Thank you.
class
Your
will
classes-
your class will not
Yes.
be cancelled.
Yeah.
From our side,
Yes.
there will not be any cancellation. From your side, try and see that you will not have any cancellations from your side, because I'm sure you will start enjoying the classes that we're going to teach, and you look forward to come and attend the classes.
Just one word with the teachers.
Yeah.
Just don't think that this is a class and then I'm taking a class and then you are trying to listen to me. No, it is just a interaction class. You can speak your mind out. You can speak anything, but only in English. No Telugu here. And then we'll make it a fun class. Don't think that because I told you there will be assignments, this, that, and all. Don't feel scared. Just let everything out, come out of your comfort zone, just leave your fears, and then we will do it together. In last batch also they were like this in the first day, but after 2 months they were talking so beautifully. So same thing with you also. So don't be scared and don't think that I'm sitting here just to teach and then it is not a kind of a very tight kind of thing. But I'll be taking all the 5 days throughout these 2 months, but you have to be regular and do your assignments on time. That is what we want, because assignments are compulsory. And I'll send you the time, and that before that time, you have to please send the videos so that we will have time to see it. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, so this gives an opportunity for us to give homework to the teachers for a change. So we'll be chasing you guys as you chase your students. Homework chesara, teeskochara. So we'll keep asking you, did you do your homework? Why didn't you do your homework and all that? So yeah, I think you will enjoy the classes. And again, thanks a lot, Madhavi, for bringing in few more teachers.
It's my pleasure, Akka. It's my pleasure.
Thank you.
Don't say thank you any times. I'm feeling
Madhavi.
a little low.
Why are you feeling low?
It's very. I would like to. Don't say many thanks to me, ma'am.
Okay.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure, actually.
Yeah. Absolutely.
My sincere thanks to dear all my teacher friends for joining in this session. Truly,
Yes.
with a single word. And Saujanya, Rani, and Sushila ma'am, and all the team members. Thank you, Ananda,
Yeah.
for
So
accepting.
whenever you find
Thank you,
time
Madhavi.
to join Madhavi.
And I'm sure, yes, ma'am. I'm sure definitely it's a useful program.
Yeah.
And I feel it already. We felt already. And please make use of it, and please utilize the knowledge of our mentors. They are truly dedicating their time for us.
Thank you.
I actually got such lovely teachers in the first batch. Same here also. I'm seeing all the smiling faces around me. So let's
Ma'am,
do it together.
this batch is a challenge for you also.
It's a challenge. It's a challenge.
Well experienced state resource persons and all.
Yes,
definitely.
Thank you for giving me such kind of teachers.
It's a great mate. Yes,
Yeah. Thank you so much, Madhavi.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
All the legendary team members of Compari Foundation, and as well as Lata ma'am.
We have
So
to
nice
tell
of
you.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
అందరూ
6:30 to 7:30,
1 hour
ma'am.
per day మీది కాదు అనుకుని పెట్టుకోండి. After 2 months you will see a great improvement within yourself.
Is
All
it
of us,
6:30 to
we are
7:30,
also
ma'am?
learning. Yeah, 6:30 to
yes.
7:30. Yes, that is.
6:30 to 7:30.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'll send the Google Meet to you after this
Yeah,
session.
I will post the video, training video of
Yes.
Google Meet, and also the meet for tomorrow. Please be on time, and we start at 6:30 sharp. We will not wait like we did today.
Yes.
And finish at 7:30. So, Janya, if there are any more people who would like to join, they can ping me on that number, which you already have, which I've already posted in the chat group. Okay, we can join. Tomorrow is the last day. There is time to join till tomorrow. Anybody else would like to join? We have 3 vacancies. We are 7 now. 3 vacancies. Okay.
Okay. Again, just a closing comment. So welcome to all the teachers. I hope after 2 months, there'll be a lot of learnings, not only from your side, we'll be learning a lot from you also. So we look forward for a great journey with all of you. Welcome again to the 4th batch of the English Time Initiative of Compway Foundation. And thanks, Madhavi, once again. Thank you.
Don't make her feel low. You have to be on a high
If it-
always,
if it-
Madhavi. Don't come
If
down.
it's
Be on a high
offline,
always.
I will touch her foot and I'll.
Ayyo.
Thank you again. But it's online. I can't do anything.
Yeah.
It's just
our
an
pleasure.
acknowledgement of your initiative and your enthusiasm,
Right.
the way you take things forward. That's all. So we don't
So
know what
pleasure,
else to
ma'am.
say except thanks. Our vocabulary is
Really,
limited.
it's very, yes, ma'am. It's very useful to all the teacher community at present. And dear teachers, please spread all the about this training program to other teachers in your school, please, and make utilize
Okay.
this
Thank you.
opportunity.
So
There
thank
is
you
one
all.
little
We'll meet tomorrow.
little one.
We meet tomorrow, 6:30.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye,
Thank you, Kiran. Thank you.
Thank you,
Madhavi.
teacher.
Thanks,
you all.
everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Have
you,
a
Latna.
nice day. Bye. Good night.
See you tomorrow,
Good night,
teacher.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good night.
bye-bye.
Bye.